Hey there, John Michaelides, Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee. I hear that congratulations are in order. You're getting married. Woohoo! I was late to getting married, and I don't know what I was waiting for. I love my wife and I love being married. I really, really do. Hey, listen, lots of newlywed couples nowadays come across somewhat of a dilemma in their minds in that, hey, we're combining two households, we're combining two homes. What do we do with the second home? Now, I've got some pretty solid advice after 30 years in the real estate business. If you need the money to pay off current debts and expenses, sell the house. There's nothing to think about. If you need the money now, sell the second home now. But what if you don't have some pressing, dire need for cash now? You've got a potential little investment nest egg sitting there. Why would you sell it? Look, what are you going to do with the money? You're going to either buy non-valuable consumer goods like stereos and boats and stuff that are going to lose their values pretty darn quickly. The sheen is going to wear off and you basically can blow the money. Probably don't want to do that, but you're grown. Do what you like. Next thing you could do into the casino that is Wall Street, paper assets, stocks and bonds. Yeah, you can set it there. But remember, stocks and bonds can absolutely go to zero value. Now, read the associated blog post to this video and you'll see a little story about that. Or you can keep the property as an income-producing rental. That's something you should seriously consider. The vast majority of wealth is built through real estate investing. That's a fact. Look it up. Real estate is where most of the wealthiest people in the world get their true wealth. They may have income from other sources that fuels their ability to buy the real estate, but the real estate itself is the true source of wealth. So if you've got a piece of real estate already, why not keep it as investment income? Appreciation over time, income month to month. It's a beautiful thing to consider. Now, you're probably saying, I don't know anything about managing properties. I can't do it. I don't want the hassles. That's where a professional property management company like Real Property Management of Sarasota and Manatee comes in. Look, we find the tenants, we screen the tenants, we collect the rent, we handle the maintenance issues. You get a statement every month. There's nothing to worry about. We direct deposit the funds. Point is, congratulations, newlyweds, woohoo! If you've got a second property, if you need to sell it, sell it. But if you don't, seriously consider keeping it as an investment rental property. Give us a call if you have any questions. 941-225-8183. My team will be happy to take care of you. Have a great day. God bless you. Bye-bye.